Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making beef onion rings wrapped in bacon in the air fryer. Let's get started. We're gonna open up this real quick so that it's open. There you go, we're set. Okay, now we're gonna cut up the onion. There we go. Remove the skin. Pop up the center. We're making 3 onion rings today. And then we're going to take some beef and stuff it in between. And we're using 80-20 ground beef. If the onion ring is not fitting so well, you can always break it a little bit so you have a little bit more space. There we go. Okay, we're set with that. The first thing we're gonna do is season it. We're gonna add some sea salt. Turn it over, do the same thing. There we go. Add some garlic powder. There you go. And add just a little bit of black pepper. Do the same thing on the other side. There you go. Now we're going to wrap it with bacon. Take the onion ring and start wrapping it. Almost there. Okay, that's one. Looking good. Okay, we have all 3 set. I'm gonna wash my hands real quick. Here's a closer look before we put it into the air fryer. Okay, we're gonna preheat it at 400 degrees and we'll be back. Okay, the air fryer's been preheated to 400 degrees. Now we're gonna put them in. Let's Spray some olive oil. Okay, put each one in. There's a little bit of seasoning left. Might as well get some of that. There you go. Just 1, 2, 3. Make sure everything is nice and tight. Okay, let's put them in. We're going for 400 degrees for a total time of 14 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 7 minutes so far. Let's flip them over. Looking good. Smells really good too with the bacon. There we go. Okay, let's put it in for the last 7 minutes. And we'll be back. Alright, it's been 14 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Whew, look at that. It smells good. You can smell the onion, the bacon. It's all good. Let's take them out. Here we go. Okay, this is what we have today. Beef onion rings wrapped in bacon. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's open one up. Oh boy. Look at that. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.